This is the lobby elevator at the Hotel Monaco in Denver, Colorado, downtown. This one's Otis. There is one. This one's probably hydraulic, new install. That door is very slow. And this one just has a red door. So it has the italic labeling for a newer series one, which is rare. But on the lower level here, I assume he might have been replaced. I'm not sure because it looks kind of fresh and in good condition. Here at the lower level. That door could not be slower. Go back to the lobby. 88 phone to the lowest phone box. It's a nice and basic cab with the wallpaper like that down below. There was a railing in the back that was removed for some reason. Here back in the laundry, that's interesting. That says 2, and that says 1, and the inside says L. Nothing seems to match. How close is that's gonna be at?